Namaskara, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today on this fabulous evening, I have planned to visit Bhutanath temple, which is located in and around 25 to 35 kilometers from Belagavi. So I have taken the first route, I would say the outskirts route, which goes through via NH4 highway. There is another route which goes through the city. So throughout the journey, I will take away you all from the city and then show the journey and which and all the points which you can consider as your journey, and then the temple and the journey inside the temple. So let's start the journey then. When you travel from the airport road, you get an SC Motors as one of the point where if you're taking from that point a right, you will go into the Belgaum city. If you take it from there left, it will take you to the NH4 highway. From there you need to travel for less than a kilometer or 1.5 kilometer. Then you take a left deviation under the bridge, and then you connect back right from there to get into the outskirts of the city. So this is the point which I said we need to take a left from here, which will connect to the NH4 highway. From here around 500 to 600 meters from then, you will connect to the NH4 highway. Once you take a right turn under the bridge after the NH4 highway, then you will be connecting to this route which will be in the outskirts of the Belagavi, or else it will take you to the old Belagavi route itself. From there, keep traveling till you get connected to the Ellurgarh. When you travel on this route, you are connecting to the very narrow roads where a complete residential areas are there. This is a shortcut, that's what I said. When you connect via outskirts, it will take you to the shortest route to the Ellurgarh, and then via there to the Bhutanath temple. I keep driving till you hit onto the Ellur road. Once you connected onto the Ellur road, you get a KLE hospital which is located on the right side. That's another point which you can note while you are driving, so that you are in the right direction. From there, keep driving straight till you connect a junction which takes a left side to the Ellurgarh, the historical place, on the right side of it. So as I said, once you keep driving on the same route, you get on a T junction. Here you have to take a left route to connect to the Bhutanath temple. Well, I keep driving whatever according to the Google Maps suggesting. Looks like I ended up in off-road drive. Hope it will be quite adventurous, and I hope there won't be any surprises. I hope let's keep continue till we reach the destination. Well, looks like as per the Google, I ended up. Looks like there is no more way to go, or else it's a wrong direction I got. Let me see what I can do now. I have decided to go straight and connect to main highway, and then from there to connect on the Bhutanath road. Main reason is rather than taking a risk on unknown or not a right direction, so I plan to move straight, connect on to the main highway. So this is the route which will connect directly to the highway, which I was telling on the other route, which will connect on the Khanapur highway. Once you took the service road of the highway, for half a kilometer from here, if you drive straight, and you will be connecting to the main highway. After connecting onto the main highway for an approximately looks like 1 kilometer and all, you will be connecting into the road. As I could able to see, looks like this stone is not operational yet. Yeah, yes, it's not operational yet. So from here we could able to see the Bhutnath temple. What you can see on from right side here, that's the Bhutnath temple. So from here again, keep driving for less than a kilometer, where you will reach onto the flyover. Yeah, now that's the flyover which we are going to take. Once you connect onto this flyover, you have to drive for an approximately half to 1 kilometer, I think. Yes, 1 kilometer, that's what the Google Map says now. So from 1 kilometer from there, you have to take a left turn. Then we will be able to connect onto the service road and be taking on to Bhutnath temple road. At certain distance from here, you find an underpass. Once you take underpass, you can see the Bhutnath temple entrance. So that's the entrance of Bhutnath temple. I think there's a check post. You have to pay our money there. I think there is an entry fees. Check post. Aitana, thank you. Are 20 ಅಲ್ರಿ छः बजे सुबह कितने बजे खुलता है? सुबह कितने बजे खुलता है? शाम को 6 बजे। सुबह 6 बजे से 6 बजे। सामरा से। हाँ, थैंक यू। So now this is finally a hilltop road drive. Looks like road status is not that great. Road is narrow. Let me see how the things will be till the hilltop. But it looks like if there are two cars coming on opposite direction, this road could be little challenging. But yeah, if an experienced driver or a rider can able to handle it. Let's take the journey to the hilltop now. Very clearly can able to drive to the hilltop. So far no confusions, that's a single road and that will take you to the hilltop. Finally reached on a parking space which is being constructed on a hilltop. Yes, finally we reached after a quite uneasy journey towards the Bhutnath temple. That's where is the Bhutnath temple, what you can see over there. And it has a very good scenic views as what you can see through the cameras. And the plus point, the parking fees is just a 20 rupees, which is very nominal and a decent place for any weekends or evenings or mornings to hang out. So timing as such, it's like morning 6 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock only it will be open. Yes, on the hilltop road is a quite bumpy, not that great. Overall, the journey towards here, if I have taken the other route, which is not the city through what I came, was not that great because Google was not giving a clear instructions to me. Whereas if I come through the outskirts, which is from the city, you get a city, or I would say the Khanapur highway, which is connected to the Belgaum and the Goa, Karnataka and the Goa. That's actually a good journey, I would say. Overall, it's too good. Now let's start looking the other side of the temple. The temple is, the one important point about the temple is located inside a big rock. That's what they call as a Bhutnath Mandir. You can read out here. I was very lucky to get the very good scenic views. As I said, the temple is located inside or below a big rock, you can see here. And they have just constructed a wall to it. But the god, the actual deities are being located here, which is exactly the below big rock. We are blessed to come here. Apart from the temple, nothing much as such, but it has a very good scenic views. You can just enjoy the views here. This is an actual temple dome. Actually, I think even now it's a very good weather. As I said, I am very lucky to get this one. That's the Ellurgad over there, what you can see. There are very good greenery, what we could able to see. See, Ellurgad, as I said, the one which we will be going, and you can find the drone footage out of it, which has been captured already. So now it's a time for a review from my point of view or my perspective. Bhutnath temple, which is located, which is less than like 20 to 30 kilometers from the city center Belagavi. Point one, easy to reach because if you take the other route from the highways or through the city route, which is connected to the Khanapur main road or and then the Goa road, overall it's a best in place to travel to this place. The little hurdles when you come back from when you're trying to climb up the hill, I mean to say when you're driving up on the hill, The roads are too narrow. When two cars driving in the opposite direction, that could be a little tricky, you need to handle. Apart from road status, on the till to the base station it's good, but when you start riding towards the hilltop, there is little not that great the road itself. Overall, it's a peaceful, definitely a must visit. It's a Bhutnath temple itself, and you get a very good scenic views. If you're lucky and if there is no rain, you will definitely get a best of the best scenic views. The clear sky, blue, the clouds are so beautiful to watch. Definitely must and should come. So in terms of the travel to the destination, in terms of on the hilltop, one thing, you don't get anything to eat here. If you wanted to eat, or if you are a person wanted to eat something, then on regular basis, then you need to carry some food and all here, or else there is no food available on the hilltop. Parking facilities too good, no doubt in that one. Four-wheeler, two-wheeler, or even the bicycles definitely will come on the hilltop. Timing wise, morning 6 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. That's really a decent timing to visit this place. So morning 6 o'clock you get the sunrise, and the evening 6 o'clock in the evening you get the sunset. So the viewpoints from here, you get the Ellurgad, you can watch it from here, and other side you get a lot of hill points which are small and quite really beautiful. So considering everything, I would rate this place 4 out of 5. Definitely must visit, definitely. So thank you. Chalo, let's catch up now, and let's close this point, and let's meet up on the other track. Thank you. Bye.